Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new manhwa, The Wind Kisses the Moonlight, Chapter 1, same author of Sing Mei Liao Liao or Green Plum Liao Liao. So here it is. Let's read the new story. Her manager is asking her, why is this Panyun always staring at you? Now she's sitting on a couch and looking at the magazine. She looks really calm. But her manager, even I just imitate for daily dressing. Now I also have to imitate event dresses. Otherwise, I wouldn't have come here to change my dress now. Well, now it seems that she's been scolded. But she only said, okay, let's talk about it at all. Now she seems to be calm and collected. She only said to her, as for me, I have always dressed the first son, not the first son. My face, figure, temperament, and make me look good even I'm in a sack. Well, it seems that her character, temperament are really good. These are not things that Fan Yun can just be learned if she want to. That's true. Do you still remember Shang Nangfang's dress from last year's Kokomo ceremony? Well, the two of them still talking to each other. But remembering what happened in the past, she was originally outside the 18 line, but last year she gained hundreds of thousands of followers. With this dress, she even got a new drama based on this popularity. Heard that this set of tailor made for her by Tang Wangting is indeed a craftsman who devotes himself wholeheartedly to his work. Heard that he has launched several assembly line projects. No wonder everyone who has been in contact with her in the industry says she is as pale as chrysanthemums. She is as pale as chrysanthemum, or she is small temple, strong evil spirit, with 4 pages of script. The designer still hasn't shown off. Now it seems that now she really loses her patience. Now she's having a bad impression toward Tang Wangting. Suddenly there's someone said sorry, sorry. Looking at her eyes, she looks really serious. Well, maybe the person that she's been looking for is right here now. Well, it really is. Looking at this girl, she looks really gorgeous. The slender body is really Tang Wangting. Now, I've been wanting for a long time. Oh, this girl. She is really pretty and gorgeous. Also, it's because I didn't make an appointment with Teacher Tang in advance. This is what it needs to be changed. Right now, Tang Wangting said it's good. Well, looking at her, she seems to be calm. Now she's trying to reach out her hands. She opened her hands gently. Well, she wanted to make shake hands with her. But, looking at her, now she didn't stand up. She was only sitting on the couch. Hello, I am Tang Wanting, the manager of W Ting. Well, since she was sitting on the couch, she only said hello to her. But, she can move her eyes towards her. Now she's really looking at her from head to toe. Tang Wanting said, would you please come with me? Need to measure your accurate data. Now, looking at Tang Wanting, she looks really serious, and also, she looks like she was really a professional person. All four of them are going out. Now, they're walking through the corridor. Probably they need space, much better place, other than the office. Right now, when they're walking, he was glancing. Tang Wangting looks pretty, but she is as pale as chrysanthemum. Now, this is the first time impression of her for Tang Wangting. Looking at her, she was pretty and gorgeous, but she was really pale. It seems that she has really a charismatic aura that you can longing for. If you really have no ambition, why would you want to be involved in the entertainment industry? Now, she looks serious. Also, she was asking Tang Wangting. Well, Tang Wangting said, bus is 84. Now, she's been measuring her. Tang Wangting, she really acts professionally. Right now, she is carefully checking the sizes of hers waistline. Now, the four of them are still standing. Tang Wangting is taking her measures. Tang Wangting, she was really concentrated. measuring her size. But suddenly, she got surprised. Belly on instant. That's why right now, Tang Wang Ting. But she already seen this. That's why she said to Tang Wang Ting, Tang Wang Ting, then, I'll be careful. Now, she looked up on her. Well, for her, it seems to be frozen. Well, did she really get shy? And Tang Wang Ting hands is onto her waist. Right now, looking at her, she was really frozen. Now, she is not speaking. For Tang Wang Ting, she looks really serious about measuring her sizes. After the movement became gentler, now it became weirder. Now, for her, after the movement became gentler, it became even weirder. Now, she was thinking. Also, she was looking at Tang Wang Ting. Tang Wang Ting, until this moment, was really serious, taking the measurement. Well, she was gently seeing measurement, but suddenly, her eyes became shiny. What is it? Suddenly, got frozen up also. But for her, such eyes as pale as a chrysanthemum. She seems to be amazed with the presence of Tang Wang Ting. She is not also good at her work. Way 60, tips 90. Now, going for the arm length. All of them are taking notes by Tang Wang Ting's secretary. Tightening the waist, the upper body also needs to be adjusted accordingly. Very quickly, otherwise I will send it to you after it's corrected. Finally, anyway, I don't have any plans for this afternoon. Watch you to change it. Model is here so it's convenient for you to make the changes right now. Oh, it seems that she was really interested in Tang Wang Ting at this moment. She really wants her to see that she's working on the dress that she's gonna wear. Well, for now, Tang Wang Ting, she seems to be surprised. But also, right now, she was really calm. She answered her and said, good. Well, it seems that the two of them are liking each other. The first meet, impression of each other, really good. We'll post the next chapter today. Thanks Mido for the support. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!